Hello YouTubers. Today I'm showing you my Timex alarm clock with nature sounds, and it's MP3 compatible. Means you can plug an MP3 into the back of this. Listen to music on your alarm clock. Alright. Today I'll be showing you the sounds on my alarm clock. It's got some pretty cool ocean, forest, brook, wind sounds. This is ocean. This is forest. Sounds like we're actually in a forest with birds chirping. This is the brook. And then we have wind. This is my favorite setting, by the way. It's the most calming and relaxing to listen to. It's pretty cool. Thanks YouTube for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, of course.